In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Asana. 5 minutes. We'll start by signing in, create a task, and then walk through 3 simple ways to add subtasks so you can break work into smaller, manageable pieces. First, head to the Asana website and sign into your workspace. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password, and select Log In. Once you're on your Asana homepage, look toward the top for the Create button. Click it, choose Task, and give your new task a clear, descriptive name. When you're ready, click Create Task to add it to your workspace. To find the task you just made, go to My Tasks. This is your personal hub for everything assigned to you and is a great place to keep things organized. Click the task to open its details pane on the right side of the screen. This pane is where you'll add subtasks and manage all the details. Let's cover the first method, converting an existing task into a subtask. In the task details pane, click the More Options icon, usually shown as 3 dots. Choose Convert, then select Subtask. Asana will prompt you to pick the parent task you want to nest this under. Search for the right task, select it, and confirm. This is perfect when you realize a task should really live under a larger piece of work rather than stand alone. The second method is the most direct. With your parent task open, look for the Subtask section in the Task Details pane. Click Add Subtask, type the subtask's title, and press Enter. You can quickly add multiple subtasks by repeating this, building a clear checklist. Keep names action-oriented so it's obvious what needs to be done at a glance. The third method is a time-saving shortcut. With the parent task open and selected, press Tab plus S on your keyboard. Asana instantly creates a new subtask field. Type the name and press Enter. This is handy when you're moving fast and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. A few final tips as you work. If you don't see the subtask section, make sure the task details pane is expanded. Use My Tasks to keep your work centralized and name subtasks consistently so teammates can follow along. That's it. 3 reliable ways to create subtasks in Asana. Convert an existing task, use the Add Subtask button, or press Tab plus S.